Hi guys, what's up Mananap? This is Bornok Mangosong and the 15 5-second board is up and now we are here in Medellin, Cebu for the round 5 of the Motor Ace Motocross Series. Ayan, nakapila na tayo sa starting gate. Bibitawan na, malapit ng bitawan. Let's just watch this video. And yun, binitawan na tayo sa start. We had a good jump off the gate and now we are leading the race in the 5th leg of the Motor Ace Motocross Series. As you can see, ayun, patalo na tayo pababa. Followed by Terence Napat and Buboy Antonio. This track is very technical due to the unconventional track layout. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, nakatabingi yung racetrack sa gilid ng bundok. And most of the corners are off-camber. Ang off-camber, it means parang slope yung corner, ayan o, di ba pababa? Tapos yung corner na pabaliktad na ganyan, napakadulas. Kaya it's very technical for us to find traction while going fast na hindi ka umi-slide. Yan yung mahirap dito sa racetrack na to. Ayun. But, syempre, we're trying our best while maintaining momentum on the obstacle. Ayan, makikita yung si Buboy Antonio magkakamali dyan. Whoop! O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, madulas. And yun, that's the typical mistake na magagawa mo basta sa ganito ng mga karera na nasa mga dulas na racetrack. Kung makikita nyo kanina sa pagkakamali ni Buboy Antonio, naghanap siya ng linya na medyo namatay yung momentum dahil inside line and gusto niya pumiga agad palabas ng corner. So, ang tendency, nag-spin yung gulong niya and tinapon siya ng motor niya. High side ang tawag doon sa mga tumba na gano'n. Actually, itong racetrack na to is bago. The layout is new. Unlike the last 4 rounds here in Medellin, iba yung racetrack na ginamit. Ngayon, binago nila yung track layout. In this race, we are still undefeated sa series na to since round 1. Round 1 was in, I think, Karkar, Cebu. First tayo doon and then tuloy-tuloy yung win streak natin dito. 5 race win streak. Napaka-lupit ng 5 race win streak natin dito. One more race, sweep na natin yung buong series ng Motor Ace Motocross Series. So for me, that is a good race performance, consistent, and syempre that's a very nice portfolio for the year 2023. Ayan, very smooth and very calm in this race. Napakasarap tingnan ng karera nito. Medyo syempre, the track is technical, kaya talagang magkakaroon ng mga problema minsan yung mga kalaban natin. So, it's very hard to be racing consistently while the track is very technical. Yun yung pinakamahirap sa racetrack is technical, madulas. Minsan, meron talagang time na magkakamali tayo. So, the technique or the game plan here is just to be focused and pick your lines meticulously. Kumbaga talagang dapat metikuloso ka, mamili na linya and hindi mo isusugal na possibility of crashing. Yun yung technique natin basta ganito, napakadulas na racer. And that's it. I wanna give a shout out to my sponsors, Yamaha Motor Philippines. Sila yung sumusuporta sa atin para makalaro tayo dito sa series na ito, dito sa Medellin, Cebu. Everything is already prepared. Kapag dumating tayo, yan, naka-aeroplano, lilipad tayo from Davao City papunta ng Cebu. Meron na tayong sundo, and pagdating natin sa Cebu, meron na tayong motor na gagamitin. Pero syempre, kailangan pa rin namin tunuhin yung motor, ayusin yung mga gulong, make sure na the bike is ready to race, and yung performance ng makina talagang capable pa in competition like this. Yun. Ganun lang. Ganun yung buhay natin as a rider ng Yamaha Motor Philippines. Kaya talagang nagpapasalamat ako sa Yamaha Motor Philippines for your unending support. Ito. Ayun, nakikita nyo na overlapan na natin si Terence Napat ng isang beses. Ganito kasi itong race track ng mga technical na hindi ka basta-basta na puro tapang lang dala mo dito. Kailangan mo ng technique, kailangan mo ng, syempre, kailangan mo ng riding skills na hindi puro tapang, puro lang bara-bara. Hindi pwede yan sa mga ganitong karera. Kaya that's it for this race. We have a good margin from Buboy Antonio. But alam nyo, si Buboy Antonio is not yung basta-bastang rider na kumbaga mawawala na lang ng resistensya. Hindi, matulin si Buboy, and also meron ding technique, galing, it's really fast actually, kaya talagang matulin tong batang to, magaling. And also BJP Pito from Cebu, the homegrown talent of Cebu. Siyempre mga taga Cebu, sanay na sanay sa lupa nila dito. Kaya hindi mo rin pwedeng hindi i-consider yung mga rider na yan kasi matutulin yan. And they have home court advantage dahil sanay sila sa lupa nila. Actually, napanood ko pa yun nung mga bata pa yun sila eh. Naabangan ko yun dati sa bakbakan ni Buboy Antonio, bakbakan nila Maclean Aguilar, and also syempre mas bata pa sa kanila sila BJP Pito and Ompong Gabriel. Ompong Gabriel right now is just on his way back into the game. Actually nag-iensayo na yun, nagpapapayat na kasi nagkaroon siya ng injury. And he injured his femur and ACL. Kaya medyo natagalan yung pagbalik niya. Ngayon, ang alam ko, tapos na siyang operahan. He's also a part of Yamaha Philippines back in 2020 and 2021. Kaya I want to see him ride again because this time, yung mga kalaban niya, yun na rin yung mga kalaro ko eh. So, it's gonna be a very interesting race and he's gonna be back soon. So I hope he can recover as fast as he can because everyone's riding great now sa mga kabats niya. Actually, ang mga kabats ko is sila Jan Adlawa, and he's also from Cebu. We were racing back in 2005 sa karera namin dito sa downtown Cebu, sa may Mandaue, sa may tabing dagat yung racetrack dati. Ito pangalan ng racetrack na yun. Ang alam ko, kung maalala ko pa sa SRP, yun, SRP racetrack. Talagang bakbakan kami yung mga yan, pero matulin yan si Jan Adlawan, hindi namin kayang talunin yan. Noong mga 85cc pa kami sa Cebu Boardwalk. Yun, Cebu Boardwalk Motocross Series. It was 2005 and as I remember, we were brought by Tito Joby Saulog. Kasama ko yung tatay ko. Tumarera kami doon. It was my first time riding an 85cc. Kaya talagang medyo hindi pa ako sanay. But, syempre, every time na I see kids riding, kunyari Tagalason, kakarera ng Cebu, naalala ko talaga yung mga experience ko dati. I was just like them. Katulad nila Dylan Pabian, nila Rayo Ipanag, I was just like them. Ganun din ako, kumakarera ako sa Cebu. And dinala ako nila Tito Joby Saulog. Kasama ko rin yung tatay ko, Papa Buboy. Dinala nila ako dyan para kumarera, kasama namin si Atong. Kumbaga, same experience, but it was my experience naman. Sa kanila ngayon, buo rin naman sila ng experience nila. Now, I can see the white flag up, and yun, checkered flag. We won the race here in Medellin, Cebu, the round 5 second heat. First heat, panalo rin tayo, no? I wanna give a shout out to Yamaha Motor Philippines and everyone supporting me in this race. especially to MX Tech Suspension, Pro Motorsports Philippines, Aero Helmets, and everyone. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the show. See you sa susunod na mga karera natin. God bless all the fans for your support, and talagang nagbigay tayo ng maraming sticker. Pasensya na kayo, medyo kinulang yung sticker natin, but as you can see, Rayo Ipanag wins his race also. Napakalupit. That's my rider. And also Dylan Fabian, I wanna give a shout out to you. Sana marami ka matutunan. Also Pia Gabriel, despite your crash, I'm also proud of your race because you tried your best, and I saw you did great. Talaga maganda yung takbo mo, matulin. God bless.
Honda Factory, 9th place, bike number 157. Niño Basco. Number 8th place, Louis Abarquez.
Agay.
7th place, Cyril Taniman. 6th place,
Okay, Gabon.
Terence Napat. 5th place, Georgie Basco. 4th place, Michael Tubilla. 3rd place, Cyril DJ Pepito. 2nd place, Buboy Antonio. And the champion from Factory Yamaha,
YouTube mo lang. Pag nakakit na, reels mo.
Dilan, baka mo itong GoPro, baka trophy.
So we have the 2nd place, Mr. Buboy Antonio from Honda Factory. Terence Napat, Kawasaki Factory. So mauni sila, no? Salamat kayo sa inyo, Pagkarino.
Alis.
4th place, Michael. So, mauna itong mga expert class. Hey, compress.
Malinig mo sa pikas.
Ubus, sir. Kana. There you have it with our sponsor, no? Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki.
What's up, mananap? Tapos na ang race natin dito sa Medellin, Cebu, and Pia Gabriel got bonus points.
Hoy, Dilan!
Nano, ano masasabi mo sa karera ngayon?
Okay.
Okay lang, 3 kategory ka. Anong mga napanalunan mo? Pakita mo sa kanila. Sige, category ano yan?
55.
85cc 3rd place. First place sa
50.
50cc at saka 65. Rayo, first place sa 55. Novice, Inter. Pera na naging bato rin. Nahuli. Yan ang race namin dito sa Medellin, Cebu. Round 5. One more round to go. Tapos na ang championship. And it was a fun race. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for watching this race. Shout out Ting Tulak PH. Ayun oh, live yan lagi. Dexter Pabian. And ito yung racetrack natin dito. It's very nice. I would like to give a shout out most especially to our sponsors from the USA. Shout out to MX Tech Pro Suspensions for the fast delivery